Baby spinach in your shake? Why not? Today we're making a green shake using Herbalife Formula 1 vanilla. I'm Susan Bowerman, and I've noticed that green shakes are getting very popular lately. People are putting all sorts of green veggies and fruits into the blender. It's a great way to get some fruits and vegetables into your diet. The one problem with many of the green shakes, though, is that they don't have any protein. So I thought, why not put some greens right into our regular Formula 1 shake? I'm going to be using baby spinach because the small spinach leaves are very tender and they're not that strongly flavored. You can use some baby kale if you want. So you want to experiment. We're going to start making our shake the way we always do. I'm going to start with 250 milliliters of low-fat milk in the blender. And then I'm going to use my vanilla Herbalife Formula 1. I already shook it up, and I'm just going to go ahead and put in 2 scoops of vanilla. And then for my green fruit, I decided to use kiwi. I like tart fruits with the greens. I think it kind of offsets the green flavor of the leafy greens. So I'm putting in 1 kiwi fruit, and I'm going to put in some frozen pineapple as well. You're going to need, as I said, something a little sweet. And then I'm going to just put in a nice big handful of baby spinach. That's more than 1 serving. That's probably close to 2. We're going to blend it up. It's nice and thick because the pineapple was frozen. And you're also getting the little kiwi seeds in there, which is really nice. Now, more importantly, let's see what it tastes like. This is really good. I can taste the kiwi, I can taste the pineapple, I can't really taste the spinach, but it just has a nice, fresh, green, healthy flavor. It's delicious. Try this at home.